Hey guys, Rix here, and today I'm coming back at you with another TMC haul. And as you look in front of you, you might be saying, hey MW, this looks like you're just re-reviewing or reopening your Marsoc figures. Well, I will say that these are very similar to Marsoc figures, but these are not Marsoc exactly. So to be specific, these are the, I believe, US SARC minifigure from TMC. So these would be a Special Forces medic. And yeah, why don't we just go from there? As you can clearly see, I have one guy segmented from the rest. In total, I did get, I believe it was 7 of these figures. Initially, I think that I put 5, and then I think that I went back in a subsequent order and just added an additional 2 because I felt like it, and I felt like it's a very unique fig that might not come back for a while. So I'm very pleased I was able to get a bunch of these. In total, between my Marsoc and Sark combined, I should have, I believe, 23 in this similar camouflage. So that's really awesome. It would be great if TMC went ahead and released some different variants where they don't all have these exposed mags, but that's a wish and a want for a separate video and a separate day. But anyways, why don't we look at this figure? So as you can see, the first thing at the top is he has a minifig cat helmet that has a printed American flag. Of course, it's charging forwards. It's printed on a dark tan minifig cat helmet. He also has a minifig cat black headset, and then he has kind of the standard TMC modern head that you see on a lot of their figures, which is this dark black sunglasses along with the chin strap. Then when you move down to the body, of course, he has that woodland camouflage, and then I believe that he has I don't know what type of plate carrier he has. Maybe it's a JPC. I actually don't think it's a JPC because if you look at the Marsoc, who I believe has a JPC, it's slightly smaller. So if somebody knows the exact type of vest this figure has, why don't you guys let me know in the comments below. But as you can see, he has his blood type right there. I believe it says A+, and then he also has some various pouches and scissors, and then of course his mags. So of course this is a slightly different loadout when compared with the Marsoc figure because of course this guy is a medic. As you can see, looking down the side, of course, there's a pocket and then just the standard vest continuing around. Then we look at the back. I think that this is exactly the same as the Marsoc figure. So you can clearly see that there is a radio. If I get my handy dandy little spear to use as a pointer, here's his radio, he has his knapsack, and some various other gear and straps that you can see crisscrossing. Now we go to this side, and the vest is also blank on this side as well. Of course, the printed pocket on the pants, and then boots. All in all, this is a really awesome figure. And I think that's something that was so great about these is that you could get different types of blood types. So as you can see on the left, the figure that we were first looking at had, I believe, an A+, and then on the right, we can see a guy has a B, and then I also got a guy that has A+ again, and then let's just keep looking at these figures. I have, I think, an A negative, and then I have another A. So we had lots of type A blood types in our little pack here. So then here is a B, and then finally, I believe, yeah, this last guy is a O, if you can see, if it would focus properly. So as you can see, some pretty awesome figures here that I'm very satisfied with in terms of, how they look and really how they're going to be fitting it into the collection, because I really like, modern stuff, and I think that it's a time period that TMC should really focus on more heavily because a lot of people like it. I think that that's fairly obvious just based upon the demand for stuff like this. It's really through the roof. I mean, these and the Marsoc sold out so quickly. If you weren't there right at the release, you weren't able to get them. But other than that, I don't really think that there's anything else to add to this unboxing slash haul slash kind of review video. I think that one thing that I will eventually do is compare this Sark or the Marsoc figure that I have right here to the Brickmania version 1 Marine Raider, because I feel like they're pretty similar figures they're trying to essentially resemble. So I think that that could be a good comparison. But other than that, there's nothing really else to add. So as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe to the normal stuff, and I'll catch you next time.